Hi friends, today we are going to see how to reverse a number or a string in a Java. The logic that we are going to use here is first we need to get the input from the user, then we will need to try to convert or pass the given input to number. If the passing is succeeded, the number will be reversal will be applied. Else it will throws an exception. If it throws an exception, it will execute the catch block. Obviously, if we use exception, we need to use a try catch block. The exception thrown by try block will be cached in exception block. Here, in exception part, we will be writing a string reversal logic. So, whatever the input may be in integer format or a string format, we can reverse it accordingly. The logic that we are going to use for number is quotient will be the result of a divide and the remainder will be the result of modulo. Temp is the temporary variable that we are going to use to store the result and it will be initialized to 0. Num is the input number that will be provided by the user. Until num becomes 0, this logic will be executed. That is, temp will be assigned to temp into 10. That is, this will give a place value of a particular digit. Next, temp is equal to temp plus n mod 10. Here n mod 10 will separate digit from a number and add it to its place value. Next, num gives num divided by 10. This will delete the digits that is used by temp value. We can see with example. For example, the given input is 214 and output should be 412. And as we told, temp will be initialized to 0. 214 is greater than 0, so this block will be executed now. Temp is equal to temp into 10, that is 0 into 10. So temp value will be 0 at this point. Next, temp is equal to temp plus num mod 10. Num mod 10 will be 20, be given as 4. So 0 plus 4 gives us 4. Then num is equal to num divided by 10. This is 214 divided by 10 gives us 21, which is greater than 0. So the loop continues. The result that we obtain from the first loop is num equal to 21 and temp is equal to 4. So here num is greater than 0. So temp is assigned to temp into 10, that is 4 into 10, that is 40. Temp is equal to temp plus num mod 10. Here num mod 10 will be 1. So 40 plus 1 gives us 41. Num is equal to num divided by 10. This gives the result of 2. So the result of the second loop is num is equal to 2, which is greater than 0, and temp is equal to 41. So the loop continues. Here temp is assigned to temp into 10 again, that is 41 into 10. So 410. Next, temp is again assigned to temp plus num mod 10. The num value that we obtained from before loop is 2. So 2 mod 10 gives us 2. 410 plus 2 gives us 412. Next, num is assigned to num divided by 10, that is 0. So 0 is not greater than 0, so the loop is broken up and exited. So the temporary variable is the result, that is input have been reversed to 412. Now we can see how to reverse a string. In our coding part, we will be placing the reversal of string in exception block. The main logic that we need to follow is we need to take each and every character from the input at, from the last and store it into another string. To get the whole length of the string, in order to navigate to its end, we need to use length method that is available in string class. Then from last, each and every character is extracted with the help of char at method and it is stored to a string. Char at of position will give the character that is available at that position. So another thing we need to know is the indexing start from 0 for in Java. For example, we can consider I need to be reversed to IH. So the position of H will be 0 and I will be 1. So length will provide us a result of 2 and 2 minus 1 will traverse to position I. Here, this is a for block that have been written. So s dot length minus 1 gives us 2 minus 1 the character. Then it moved to 1th position and store the character value that is available at first position. That is nothing but I. So RVSTR plus I gives us I. Now I value is decremented to 1, that is I minus minus. So this gives a value of 0 that is greater than or equal to 0. So the loop is executed again. Now RAVSTR will be having I plus S dot character at first I is H. So I plus H gives us IH. Now the I value will be decremented to 1, that is 0 minus 1. Minus 1 is not greater than or equal to 0. So the loop is exited. Now we can move to coding part. How to get the input from the user? We can get the input from the user with the help of scanner class. The scanner class is available at java.util package. So we need to import java.util.scanner. We need to create an object in order to use the scanner class. Scanner, then object name equal to new, then again class name. We need to pass an argument. Here we are passing an argument as system.in order to get the input from the command prompt. Here at this line, it will ask the input from the user. Next, here in.next will accept the string, then it will be assigned to one variable yes. At a try block, we will be placing the integer.parseInt as discussed in order to convert the given input to integer. Integer is the class name and parseInt is method that is available in class name. So integer.parseInt will convert this string to number. If it fails to parse, then it will move on to a catch block that is written under the try block. Here, original is assigned, num is assigned to original in order to print the value at the end. Next, temp value is initialized to 0 as discussed. Then num while value will be executed until num value is greater than 0. Temp value is assigned to temp into 10, that will give us a placeholder. Next, temp gives temp plus num mod 10, that will separate each and every digit from number and place it to place value. Then num is equal to num divided by 10, removes the digit from the temp value. Here it will print the result. We can execute this to have the better understanding. For example, we can give 214. This is the input number that has been given and it has been reversed to 412. Now we can move on to a catch block. Here we have placed string reversal logic. As we told, at the try block the exception will be thrown and it have been catched here. Now RAVSTR will store the reversed output. Then this is the for. Here s dot length gives us the length of the string. So s dot length minus 1 moves to the end of the end character of the string. This will be executed until it reaches the 0th position. Here the original string is printed and here the output, that is reversed string, is printed. We can execute this program now. You can see this is the input provided by us. This input string is reversed here. Hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching the video.